see, if he's saying that, again the law is there. Go file FIR or go to the appropriate legal body. Let them step in and investigate. Because, just a mere allegation by saying that, Preston maybe he has already, paid this X amount or B amount or whatever to Shri so and so, Honorable MLA, this, that. I think that is totally wrong. So what I'm trying to tell you is, see, allocation is allocation. I don't know, he said investigation. What investigation? Better you initiate. Ne? If you have some kind of doubts, there are agencies where you can go, file and submit your petition. Then those agencies can take up the matter and then they will come to a conclusion. Okay.